Do you work here though? Really? Is he passing by? Oh, it's a Popo. Hi. Damn. Popo's nice. Popo's nice. And hi. Security guards are nice as well. Oh no, it's a Popo. It's a Popo. It's a Popo. Mate, they're nice too. Anyway, we're getting into the tube right now. So, we're getting into the tube right now. Sorry, darling. Walking down. Please, you had a bottle of Prosecco though. Really? No, honestly, I have. It's a case of keep out there. Ooh! Drama! Glass broke up on the floor there. No, sir. What by? Okay. Drama. Listen. Normally I miss out on drama. I step up on the tube there and the drama starts. Love that shit, no. Okay. Here we go. Walking down the stairs. Okay, how long to my tube? Oh, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute to my tube there. So, train approaching. That's what I call timing, no. That's what I call timing. Okay, here we go. So, I'll bid you farewell and I'll see you later. I'll take one with my hair there. There we go. See you later. Bye.